Hello friends, many viewers had asked for a detailed explanation for making 3-in-1 Tulsi garland, so I'm sharing this video with clear, step-by-step guidance to help you make the garland with ease. Take a thick thread about 4 times the final length of the garland, hang the center of the thread on a chair arm, door latch, or any stable hook so both ends are free. Decide the required garland length and tie a firm knot at the loose end. Now start making the garland. Place a tulsi sprig between the two strands of thread, bring the free thread over the sprig, loop it around both strands, and tie a knot. Pull the knot tight so that it locks the stem firmly in place. Next, take a rose flower, place its stem between the threads, put a chrysanthemum flower over it, bring the free thread over the flowers, loop it around the threads, and tie a knot. Pull and tighten to secure the flowers firmly. Again, add a tulsi sprig in the same way and secure it with a knot. Add another tulsi sprig to the garland and secure it with a knot. Now add a rose along with a chrysanthemum to the garland followed by 2 more tulsi sprigs. Continue repeating this pattern, tightening each knot as you go, until the garland reaches the desired length. Maintain even spacing and firm knots to get a neat, strong, long-lasting garland. I've added all the tulsi sprigs in the same direction for the main garland. For the center dangle, I've placed the tulsi sprigs alternately in both directions. You can clearly see the difference in the final appearance. Now, carefully trim the extra stalks. This step cleans up the garland and gives it a fuller, well-finished look. To add a center dangle, make a small separate garland using the same method. Attach it in the middle of the main garland for a balanced, traditional finish. Hope you enjoyed this video. For more content like this, subscribe to my channel, like and share the video, and leave a comment. See you again. Thanks for watching.